Hello, thanks very much for joining us today and welcome to another Cars.co.za drag race. My name's Ciro de Siena and I am in a Golf 8.5 GTI, the brand new one, and I am absolutely screwed because it's been raining and Golf GTIs don't like to launch in even the most perfect conditions. But that's the thing, the Golf is wrong wheel drive, which means that as soon as you launch, the weight squats to the back, the front tires lift off the ground, and all that power just goes absolutely nowhere. Have you seen those cat videos where it's like the cat's trying to do a turn on a kitchen tile and it's doing like 100 k's an hour and it's just going absolutely nowhere? That's pretty much a Golf 8 GTI 8.5 trying to launch. Now, that would be fine if I was against another front wheel drive car, except I'm not. I'm against the potent GR Corolla. That is the new auto one, and it has all-wheel drive. So that thing is going to scoot off like a frightened meerkat while I sit still. As you can tell, I'm not very hopeful for myself, for my chances here. So, quick fact check for you. This car is a bit lighter, 50 kgs lighter than that, but it is down on power, 195 kilowatts. It's had a power bump from Golf 8 and 370 newtons. We'll put the horsepower on the screen, not pound-feet of torque, because that's not a thing. You can't just combine two measurements that individually don't make sense and then put them together. No one knows what a pound-foot of torque is. Anyway, the Corolla is running on Michelin Pilot Sports. I'm running on Hankook Ventus 3 in South Africa. That's the standard fitment. It's actually a very good tire. But it doesn't matter because the road is wet. Shame, Killarney actually sent guys out with leaf blowers and it was very nice of them, but it didn't help.
Just trying to remember how to launch a GR Corolla because it's not as simple as the German vehicles. This requires one or two more steps. In terms of pricing, that GTI is 908,000 Rand, and based on the Cars.co.za new car specs, this is comfortably over $1 million. And I know what a lot of you guys are going to say in the comments, $1 million for a Corolla with an interior like that. Yes, it's ergonomic and I've got some really cool motorsport themed graphics on me, but it just feels a little bit underwhelming. And credit to the Golf because that interior really is nice. And I think even if you aren't a hot hatch aficionado and enthusiast when it comes to your driving, just as a daily driver, that GTI, that's a really nice vehicle.
Deal ratings. We rate every deal. These ratings are based on real market data, just straight up honesty. Let's find what moves you magic. Cars.co.za.
So what we're going to try to do, we're going to do a standing race just to illustrate how screwed I am. And then I think we're going to have to switch to a rolling race. I think even when this thing hits second, it's still going to spin, but let's give it the best chance possible.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
Oh, that Golf is a distant memory.
I'm already losing by 6 car lengths. Oh, I got some traction. Yay!
Oh, this is so fast.
Wow, I can't even see the Corolla. There somewhere. Exit speed 159. Hard on the brakes. Yeah.
That is very quick. Ciro, did you just have wheel spin on the line the whole way?
Dude, I wheel spin till about the bridge.
Oof. Yeah, front wheel drive cars. Killarney always has a reputation for being slightly slippery in any case. So, yeah. This Corolla is a bullet.
Dude, I'm not kidding. You pulled about 8 car lengths on me before the bridge.
Second drag, ready? Let's go.
Oh, right, can't rev. Oh, my launch system not available. No. My launch system is on strike.
Guys, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Wait, launch is still not active.
3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5,
let's try a manual launch.
3, 2,
Launch control active.
go.
Woo! Wow, that was spectacularly useless.
Off the line cleanly.
And the Corolla has already pulled about 6 car lengths on me.
Yeah, bolting ahead here.
This has gone well. Exit speed 159.
161 k's an hour. This thing is so quick.
Did you feel it trying to get traction? Well, obviously didn't because you're not in the car, but I desperately try to get traction.
Yeah, even without a launch control, this thing still bolts off the line. That Golf, I think, is going to be quite impressive on the rolling run. Should we do one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Was that the auto brake?
Every time cars auto brake, I think I've had an accident.
Yeah, agreed. It's a horrible feeling, isn't it?
Oh God, that was horrible. I felt like I just killed Sean.
And we need Sean. We like Sean. Okay, Ciro, rolling race. I think you've got a much better chance here because my all-wheel drive advantage is now gone.
Yeah, and on that last standing race, I was reeling you in a little bit.
Yeah, I suspect this is going to be a photo finish. I think that GTI is always going to be a little bit stronger than advertised.
All right, here we go. Set off, Dave. Let's get to 30. Okay, I'm at 30. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he's got the jump on me.
I'm still slipping a little bit.
Where is that GTI going?
I think I've got him.
No ways!
Oh my word, I'm pulling away.
No ways!
What the hell? Still exited at 159.
I want to speak to the manager. That was epic.
Did you get to 30 in second gear?
Yes, I did.
So that was a fair race.
Yeah, you just pulled away so hard in second and third. It was hilarious.
You were right, eh? You said in gear the GTI is going to be stronger.
Yeah, there's no wheel spin there. You just pulled away.
No, I still got a bit of spin in second, eh? A little bit.
Whatever they've put in that GTI, I'd also like some for extra performance, please.
I wonder what drag coefficients are. I have a feeling my car's a bit more slippery.
Yeah, I've got more wings and spoilers than an Airbus factory.
All right, here we go, Dave. Let's set off. Oh, got a bit of a launch there. All right. And 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Come on, GR, come on. It's a bit closer.
Yeah, I've got him.
How is that GTI pulling away?
What the hell?
How?
Jeez!
Oh, he's still pulling. He's still pulling.
159 again. No way. No way.
You just accelerated the whole way. I had no chance whatsoever. Great job.
Dude, I think that was pretty scientific. We did 2 runs, perfect pull away together, and in gear, this thing is just a rocket.
I'm actually so impressed. I thought you were in for a day of pain, and now look. I have a bit more respect for a GTR right now with that in-gear performance. That's mega.
Yeah, the only way I can understand this is GR is more set up for circuit racing, and maybe you're getting drivetrain loss through all your diffs and side shafts.
Yeah, possibly. I mean, this is not really a drag specialist. I think now that it has an 8-speed auto box with launch control, I think now maybe more people will drive it quick in a straight line. But it's always been about driving thrills and precision and circuit racing, that sort of thing. And there it excels, like it's a proper thoroughbred. But for straight line specials, sure, I think you'll struggle to beat a GTI.
Yo, I'm impressed. All right, I think let's call that a day, Sean.
Off work and also did well on my countdowns. How's that for you, huh?
Head of countdown.
It's Cars.co.za here in another Cars.co.za production starring Cars.co.za and Cars.co.za. In this country, we don't just drive cars, we love cars. We love cars as much as you do. So slide into our DMs on WhatsApp and let's find what moves you.